Thinking about building a self-storage facility? Here are the steps you'll take when transforming your land into revenue-generating storage using Boxwell relocatable units. First, level and grade your site. This can be done in a number of ways and to a varying degree. The extent of this step depends on the surface you're beginning with. Next, it's time to prep the surface. Although Boxwell units work on almost any type of ground, this owner wanted a Class A facility. Asphalt driveways were paved and a gravel basin was laid beneath the units to promote ample drainage. Now that the site is level and prepped, it's time to receive the flat-packed Boxwell storage units. At no extra cost, a Boxwell representative will meet you on site for your first delivery. They'll ensure all the proper equipment and techniques are used so your unload process is simple and successful. Alternatively, if you'd rather hand it over to the pros, you can let the Boxwell team take it from here by upgrading to a full white glove install service. They'll handle all the logistics regarding unload, assembly, and proper placement of your units. Whether you're doing it yourself or opting for a white glove install, building the units is quick and easy. All you need is a forklift and basic tools. This vacant lot was fully transformed in just 6 months. Once completed, this massive site boasted almost 75,000 square feet of rentable space. Before opening, add the final touches to your site. Now is the time to incorporate things like bollards, security cameras, landscaping, and signage. These details boost curb appeal and build trust with your future tenants. And with that, you're done! Your self-storage facility is ready to operate. Attract clients by focusing on marketing, management, and upkeep. To learn more about our products and services, contact Boxwell today.